Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. My name's Disney and today we're going to go to Disneyland Paris Fantasyland to take a POV ride of Pinocchio. It was such a fun ride to go on, so let's go save some donkeys.
On va quelque part.
Veuillez vous lever et vous écarter en sortant du véhicule.
Please stand up now, then exit by stepping away from the vehicle. Veuillez vous lever et vous écarter en sortant du véhicule.
Is this your favorite ride?
Please stand up now, then exit by stepping away from the vehicle.
Veuillez vous lever et vous écarter en sortant du véhicule.
Please stand up now, then exit by stepping away from the vehicle.
Thanks for joining us on this POV of Pinocchio. It was so much fun and I love the ride. Walt Disney World really needs a ride like that. Thanks for watching and don't forget to walk forward.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.